So here's a newborn baby chick. This one just hatched, I guess, within an hour. I used to have chickens when I was younger, and so I was used to raising chickens. So one day I went to a Tractor Supply and they had baby chicks, so I went and bought those baby chicks, about 16 of them. And that's pretty much where it started. I was in Nashville, Tennessee, and when I moved back here to Chicago after I graduated from school in my biology major, I brought those chickens with me, and I began from there. So here's a newborn baby chick. This one just hatched, I guess, within an hour. Here, if you come here. These are chicks about to hatch. So we have 1, 2, 3 that are coming out right now, which they'll hatch in about, again, an hour or two. I can't leave this off too much because the humidity, it needs humidity. This right here is a much larger incubator. This here holds I fit 288 chick eggs inside of here, hatched within 21 days. This one has it's a lot more efficient than these little other incubators. Has a larger thing of water, so I can hatch more at one time versus just 40 individuals and then missing it.
So what's the temperature you usually
And
set?
the temperature says that it has to be consistent always at 100 degrees and a 45% humidity, all the way up until it's about 18 days. 4 days before they hatch, the humidity needs to be increased to at least about 60 to 65%. So here, if you can see, these are 2-week-old chicks, and that's on this side, and that's on this side over here. On that side, these are just hatched, brand new hatchlings. And those are 1 day old, and these are 1 day old. So in here are about 300 baby chicks. I'll say about 300. Baby chicks are very delicate. In the beginning, I would say to about 3 to 4 months. Chicks have a very delicate. They're very delicate. You have to. They won't be in here for 4 months. I'll keep them in here for about a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and then I'll remove them from here and I'll build something else, and by then it'll be warmer. I have them in here right now because it's cold. It's still cold here in Chicago, so that's why I have the heat lamps. They do need that. You can't raise baby chicks without these heat lamps. You have to have these or else they will die very quickly. And you have to change the bedding at least twice a week. At least twice a week to prevent a coccidiosis. And a coccidiosis is a microscopic bacterial worm inside of their intestines. All chickens have it. But at this stage, they don't have an immunity to it. And they will die very, very quickly, and that's like I heard one person say on YouTube is a chicken person's worst nightmare, and it is. I've had many birds die from it in my beginning stages, but what you can use to prevent that is apple cider vinegar and garlic. It's way cheaper than buying the powder or any other type of like deworming liquid. You do have to change out their water, make sure they have plenty of feed. They will huddle on top of each other, so as they get bigger, a little bit bigger, I will have more boxes and I will begin to separate them, because if you see like how they huddle like this, although they're huddling like this because we're present, but if they can't sleep like this right here, or else they'll suffocate each other.